Hello everybody, today we are going to learn about procedure text. Let's learn a recipe, in order to know. How to get the best result, and how to avoid an accident, damage, or unnecessary waste. The goal is how to make fruit salad. The ingredients are 2 red or green apples, a small orange, 6 red strawberries, a large thick slice of pineapple, a kiwi, medium bananas, 12 black or green grapes, a ripe mango, half melon, 5 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and grated cheese. The method of making fruit salad: first, wash all fruits until they are clean. Then, peel the fruits, except strawberries and grapes. After that, cut melon, pineapple, mango and apples into chunks, cut kiwi, orange, and bananas into slices. For strawberries and grapes, cut them half each one. Next, place all fruit in the bowl, add the mayonnaise and mix well. Finally, put in refrigerator and add grated cheese before being served.